Hey everybody, I'm Glenn.
And I'm Xander.
And together we are Fun King 3D, and today we present to you another Mailbag Monday with 3 boxes. It's Mailbag Monday. Oh.
You've got mail.
Alright, so we have kind of a plethora of things here today, but which one do you think we should start with?
This one.
Paul's? Okay. So, sneak these off to the side. This one's going to be kind of cool. It's heavy. That's not what makes it cool, but...
Do you know what's inside?
Yes, I do, because they reached out to me beforehand. I'm going to open these packages with my Fun King 3D utility knife, presented to us by the 3D printing Llama. And it's so super sharp. I only use it for opening mail, and so, you know, like, I don't drag it around on the concrete or anything.
Good.
It's like opening a Christmas present. Go ahead, tear into it. It's like a Christmas present.
I like Christmas presents.
We got a paper bag.
Yay, paper bag.
Well, that's going to entice the cat. She's already heading towards that paper bag. Then we got plastic bag. Oh, there's not like cheeseburgers in this thing. And then a lot of tape again.
And then it's another box inside of the box. Can I open it?
Yep. You got to put my glasses on. That looks like a card addressed to me from Paul Cumber. I'm going to read it and then I'll read it. I'll read it and make sure that it's not something
Not supposed to.
Of course, he knows that I open this stuff live on the air. Happy birthday, friend. Hey, sorry for the late birthday card. I'd like to wish you a happy birthday, Glenn. Thank you, Paul. That's really nice of you, buddy. May your birthday go on and on like one of our laughing attacks without the bellyache. Happy birthday, Glenn. You're a good friend. May God bless you. Thank you, Paul. That is really, really nice of you. That's really cool. I love that Paul always sends handwritten letters. I can't always read them because, you know, I never learned to read. It's because I'm, you know, blind. But hello, Fun King 3D. I'm doing just fine as well, but it has been cold here. I 3D printed some more cool things as well to... I don't know if that says 1 ton crown, 1.5... You can start taking stuff out of the box. 1.75 filament, 2 Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles in silver, 1.75 filament.
Air.
3 cats in red, 1.75 filament. 4 snowmen, silver, 1.75 filament. 5 red Merry Christmas, 1.75 filament. 6 red dinosaur. Boy, Paul printed us a whole bunch of stuff this time, didn't he?
He
also did some laser
snowman.
engraver just to try it out. Oh, he got his laser engraver working. That's cool.
He printed my snowman.
He printed your snowman. Some candy for the boys. A birthday card for you. A Fun King 3D in a clear case that I made with LED light. My drawing. And then Paul did a drawing of the case. Awesome, Paul. Thank you so much, buddy. Oh, a lucky cat.
It's a decapicat. But not decapitated.
But not decapitated.
It's a flexi
Oh,
dime.
look, he printed you a crown for your huge head.
I feel like that the boss pig from Angry Birds.
Got Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle.
King Piggy.
We got a crown. We got Lucky Cat. We got Xander Snowman. We got a Flexi Rex. Zach loves Flexi Rexes. Oh, this is the engraver, the laser engraver.
Interesting. Herbert Handcraft. Interesting. And then Star Mix.
Holy cow, this thing is huge.
Oh, it's a Merry Christmas.
Very cool, very cool. Can be used as a Christmas ornament or a large keychain, or you can even hang it on the wall.
Super duper cool.
Good job packaging this stuff up, Paul. Everything is very well wrapped. Gives me a great excuse to keep using my Fun King 3D utility knife. Wow, Paul, you went through a lot of work on this, buddy.
Yeah, I don't think he wanted it to break.
No, I mean on the actual item.
Oh.
I mean, he did on the packaging as well, but...
Oh.
Look at that.
I think it should stay in the box. Oh, yeah.
It does stay in the box. It's a display case. All right, I have to come over here. Oh, let's... So there is the Fun King, and it lights up with yellow LEDs.
Can I turn it on and off?
Yeah. Right there on the back.
Double A's.
Thank you, Paul. That is so awesome. We don't have to just keep clicking it on and off. Now what you got to do is you got to take an Arduino and write code so when you walk in the room it turns on.
Or like it does like a cool little flashing light dance.
Little jingle. Thank you, Paul. That is so awesome, buddy. I know that you put quite a bit of work into that, and it is really cool. It is really cool. I'm glad that you sent that to me, and I really appreciate it.
Air.
So.
Got air.
Got air. That's Wisconsin air. Could be cold.
Oh.
Cool. All right, we will definitely find a place to display that. Not the bags of air. Thank you, Paul. I really appreciate it. All right, so which one next?
I don't know.
All right, let's do Thom's. Let's do Thom's. This is from the 3D printing Llama, and he sent me a little note and said, "Hey, I'm sending you something. It has to come ground because it has batteries." It has lithium batteries, and apparently you can't airship lithium batteries because they can explode. The airplanes don't like that. And then he said there was something else in here. He said, I don't know if you can use it, but
newspaper.
Some newspaper for you to read.
What year is this from? What's that?
That must have been what he was talking about. I don't know what it is. Thom loves the tape. Or hates the tape, however you want to look at it, because he's like, I want to get rid of this tape. I've made a huge mess over here on the floor. He did warn me and say I would have lots of use for my knife. Yeah, man. All right, be easy with it until you figure out what it is. It could be a grenade. Oh, look, we got a big. It's a filament Ziploc bag. Good quality. I'm gonna hang on to that, Thom.
It's a what?
It's a filament Ziploc bag.
Oh. It's a grenade.
It's a grenade?
Maybe.
Oh, I know what it is.
What
I know
is
what
it?
it is.
What is it?
It's a gimbal for the top of a tripod. Oh, the cat has found the boxes. All right, so here we got some cordage.
Can I open this one?
Yeah, just be careful. I guess this is the infamous lithium battery. We got USB extension cable.
And we got this thing.
A very small USB extension cable.
This
Holy
thing.
cow, Thom. Did you really? Thank you, brother. Thank you so much for that. That's that camera that he was telling us about. Now I can always be watching you. That is so that we can attempt to set that up as our main camera to get rid of this this 920. It's for there.
Oh.
Wow, that is heavy. He did say whatever that was he was sending was heavy. Oh, that is nice.
Always watching.
It just makes the top of the tripod much more like fine-tuned adjustable. Thank you, Thom. I super appreciate it, and as you know, I have something coming your way as well. But boy, I've made a mess over here on the floor.
Whoa.
You guys can see this disaster I've made.
It opens and closes.
Well, it's the shutter. It's like having a cap, but then you don't lose the cap. So that's cool. We'll have to hook it up, make sure it's got clean HDMI out, make sure that we can power it from an external source, and then get a capture card, and then we should be able to replace that 920. And hopefully it'll be like great video. Thank you, Thom. Yep. That is so appreciated. I don't know if I can use this yet or not, but we'll find out.
I'm not even complete. Oh, it's...
So you see the top of the tripod, how the camera's hooked to it?
Yeah.
So the camera hooks here. And it lets you do really fine adjustments. It's so you can... and then it locks down and it's solid.
Motion sickness.
Yeah. That unit right there is probably twice the cost of our TP tripod that our camera sits on. So that's cool, Thom. Thank you so much. And finally, last but certainly not least, this.
A truck.
Yes, somebody sent us a Chevy Silverado, and Chevy, now I expect some residual income from you for saying that. A company reached out to me not long ago. They were very quick to move, and it's Elegoo, Elegoo. I've seen a lot of their stuff on Amazon, and I've actually looked into buying a couple of their kits and just never got around to doing it.
Oh, I know what this is now.
And yeah, they reached out to me and asked me if I would be interested in getting one of their kits. And when they told me what kit it was, I don't think I could say yes fast enough. Packaged very nicely. No note, just a gift receipt.
If the seal on the bubble bag is damaged or peeled off, please
reject and do not sign the package. Well,
too late now.
It's not damaged and the sticker's there, so I signed the package.
What?
I'm gonna have to go all the way through. I thought I could just cut the sticker. I'm trying not to cut what's inside. It's very nicely packaged. The fact that it was in a box and then it's in a bubble bag after that. This is the part where you go, oh my gosh, it's
a smart robot car kit 3.0.
It is the Smart Robot Car Kit version 3 by Elegoo. And it's an Arduino powered, we should open it. It's an Arduino powered robot kit that, again, I had looked at these a couple of times, and the retail on this is, I want to say it's about, I don't even want to say, I want to say $55, but I can't remember if that's what it is. But there will be a link to this in the description below. And we will have a whole series of videos coming out on this thing. Yeah, I was hoping to be able to show you guys what's inside, but I think I'd like to do a legit unboxing video to show all the parts, because it's packaged very, very nicely, and I'd hate to take it out of there. Well, here, I'll show you a picture. This is the kit right here. And that's what we'll be putting together with this. And but we'll do a proper unboxing video of this. And I wanna thank Elegoo for sending this. Again, it was their gift to me. No money has exchanged hands for this product. It wasn't one of those shady deals where I had to buy it and then they'll think about refunding my money once I give them a nice review. It was legitimate. They reached out to me and said, hey, we like your channel. We love the fact that you do your videos with Xander, and we'd like to send you this kit. And when I clicked the link to see what it was, I was like, I'm telling you, I couldn't have typed yes fast enough, because I had really been eyeballing this kit, and I think that you're going to enjoy this, and it's going to force Xander into learning about Arduino. Yay! Arduino's fun. So, and the fact that it's a robot car. So today was a great Mailbag Monday, and
yeah, we got a snowman.
Yeah, you got your snowman.
Snowman
with mustache. I will put a link to in the description to Xander's snowman model as well. We thank Paul and Thom and Elegoo for sending us stuff this week. We thank each and every one of you guys for always sending, and of course we thank you guys also for watching, because it'd be senseless to do all of this if nobody watched it. That's it. That's all we got for today. If you like what we're doing, hit that subscribe button, ring the bell for notifications. The thumbs up is always appreciated as well. Bling! And until next time, as always, print on.